Alright, let's get straight to it. Is CashDrama just another get-rich-quick scam, or is there actually a way to earn real money with this app? You've probably seen it on the Google Play Store, claiming you can rack up cash just by playing games or taking surveys. Sounds tempting, right? But trust me, there are some huge red flags you need to know about before you even think about downloading it. First up, withdrawal issues. Tons of users report that while they can easily rack up points in the app, the second they try to cash out, suddenly, there's a technical error, or their money's stuck in pending mode. Forever. If you've ever tried to get your earnings and hit a wall, you're not alone. Now, let's talk about your privacy. CashDrama collects sensitive device IDs and all kinds of performance data. And get this, it's not even encrypted. Once you give away your info, there's no way to delete it. That's a big risk, especially if you care about how your data's used. And if those crazy high payout promises sound too good to be true, that's because they probably are. Legit rewards apps usually pay a few pennies per task, not huge payouts. Plus, it's almost impossible to find any verifiable info about who owns this app, or if anyone's actually ever been paid out. Apps like this often vanish overnight, leaving users with nothing but wasted time and lost data. So, what should you do instead? Look for trusted platforms like Swagbucks or Scrambly if you want to earn a few bucks doing surveys or playing games. Or, try Fiverr or Upwork if you've got skills to share. Those sites pay for real work. Ysense is another solid option for task-based earnings. Bottom line, don't risk your data or your time on high-risk apps. Stick with platforms that have a real track record. Stay smart and protect yourself online.